Okay, his name is. He's in the blue, and his name is Sweetman Rodriguez. And tell him after that match he's on.
Sweetman Rodriguez?
Yeah, tell him that he's wrestling here.
What is his name? Sweetman Rodriguez.
From. Hold on.
Did I skip 18?
Cyclones. Yeah, because wait, is Sweetman here? Because isn't he? Yeah, because Sweetman is wrestling over there right now,
okay.
and so we're just yeah. You'll be green, you'll be red. Wait.
I think you can.
What did the coach say? Okay. It's okay, we can just skip it. We'll just do him last if he wants. No, we'll stay in the semifinal bracket. And then at the end of semifinals we'll ask if he's okay. And if he's not, we can just I don't know what we'll do. Then we'll go to the head table and ask. Because I know that we can do that because it's been done before, but because I think he just got hurt too. Red shoes. They always look so serious when they're wrestling. No, because one time what happened with my friend was she was smiling. Like in practice when we laugh, like I've headbutted her and like she bit her whole lip and it was bleeding. Yeah, and that's why she's like, that's why we shouldn't smile. It happens to me too, like she's headbutted me. I know, especially like when they're breathing hard, like. Don't lock hands, don't lock hands. Oh.